I can't remember when you went there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I'll stay right here with you through the years.
Can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, whom I listened to before. I swear you've given everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what's life about by loving you through the years.
Ay, grabe oh. May supporters po si si Edo. Ay, andito si Carlo. Basketball po sila. Yan po, andito sila Kalingap Prab. May bisita po ang EDC fans. EDC Fanatics. Galing pa po ito ng Batangas. Grabe ang layo po nila. Sinadya lang po nila na para makapapicture po. At bukas din po ay mabalik ulit sila. No? Ayan. Gmail oh. Ay grabe. Pakitaan mo nga ako ng tricks daw. Pakitaan mo ako ng tricks daw pag dribble. Ah. Ay grabe oh. Sana all. Carla daw picture. Yan. Nandito din si Carla. Wala si Beyonce. Bro, mas lalo kang pumuti sa suot mo, bro. Beyonce! Nagulat. Beyonce daw, Beyonce. Ay, grabe.
Naiwan ka sa kusina.
Sino to? Si Beyonce. Sino to? Si Beyonce. Ito si
Beyonce.
Beyonce.
Huwag ka daw magkakamali.
Ang alam ko mga naiwan yun sa kusina.
Ay, naiwan sa kusina pala.
Binabantayan namin ng kusina. Kusina baka mawala.
Kaya pala,
Kita naman sa katawan.
kaya nga eh. Parang Parang si Sikmaya yung lugi sa kanila.
Sa labas lang ng kusina.
Ah, sa labas lang pala siya. Tagabantay. Look out.
Look out namin.
Yun lang. Ate, anong feeling na naging Beyonce ka sa ilang segundo? Hinahanap kasi ni Edo si Beyonce ay.
Kasama ka na?
Nice. Nice, Edo.
Si Beyonce. Si Beyonce.
Beyonce. Ah, si Beyonce, oh.
Nagsabi si Beyonce, nagsabi. Pamura to bukas kay Beyonce. May time ka. Baga.
Yan. Wow, may regalo, oh. Ayan, galing po sa Portland. Grabe, oh. May regalo daw po sila. Bukas daw po mapunta po sila sa kila Beyonce. Ayan. Ay, grabe, oh. Galing, eh. Ay, grabe. Picture. Picture, picture. Oh, Jemel. Nag-picture man sila. 1, 2, 3. Ay, grabe. Light pala. Oh, diyan kayo harap. Oh, yan. Yan, diyan. Maganda yan, maganda. Yan, oh. Against the light po kasi doon sa kabila. Ayan, oh. Ganda. Ayan, oh.
Light lang po.
Picture. Ay, grabe. Jemel, isang 3 points nga. Kaya mo? Hindi kaya. 2 points lang.
tutok guys.
Ha?
Wala akong tutok. Try natin.
Try daw, try. Yan. 3 points. Gmail. Ita-try. Ay, gra.